Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of boAt Rockerz 450R Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones. Without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. The box of boAt Rockerz 450R looks like this. From the box itself you can clearly see the headphones. On the back you can see the boAt high fidelity sound. And here you can see that on the box it is mentioned that this headphone supports Google Assistant and Siri. The price mentioned on the box is 3,990, but you can get these headphones under rupees 1,300 from different online stores. Here you can see that they have mentioned that inside the box you will get on-ear headphones, one USB charging cable and one manual. If you can see, here are some of the features of this boAt Rockerz 450R. Here you can see that they have mentioned that you need to press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to activate the voice assistant. That's it. Now let's remove the headphones from the box. Here are the headphones. Let's keep the headphones aside. And also inside we get some cables and the booklet. Here are some booklets. This boAt earphones comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty, and also you get the USB to micro USB cable, and they also provide the aux cable. Here you can see the aux cable, and you will get a sticker, boAt head. That's it. Now let's remove the headphones. Here are the boAt Rockerz 450R. They feel light and they come with adjustable headband. Here you can see that adjustable headband, and also you can rotate the ear cups like this. Here you can see that, and here is a boAt branding, and also you get the head cushion inside, and there is a cushion on the ear cups. On the left ear cup you don't have any controls, whereas on the right ear cup, if you can see properly, you have the aux port and micro USB port for charging, and you have volume up, volume down and play and pause buttons. Inside they have mentioned right ear cup and left ear cup. If you don't want to use this earphones as wireless, you can simply insert the aux port and insert the other end to your phone or laptop, and you can use these earphones. The build quality is pretty decent for the price we are paying. To charge this boAt Rockerz, what you can do is you can use the micro USB cable which was provided in the box, and you can simply insert this port. Here you can see the stable red light. It means the headphones is charging. If you want, you can simply remove that, and you can see that the light is gone. If you want to turn on this boAt Rockerz 450R, what you can do is you can simply press the middle button. It will turn on the boAt Rockerz. Here you can see the blue indicator light. Once you turn on this boAt Rockerz 450R, it will automatically turn on the Bluetooth for pairing. Take your phone and open the Bluetooth on your phone, and under Bluetooth it will be shown as boAt Rockerz 450R. Here you can see that Rockerz 450R. Click on that. Now it is connected. I will play a sample song to hear the audio output on this boAt Rockerz 450R. For the price we are paying for these headphones, the sound quality is pretty decent. You cannot expect much more. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.